In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to fix overexposed videos in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we have our overexposed video. So first thing that we would need to do is to add the lumetri color effect into our clip. So you want to drag this here into the clip. So if you can find the effects tab, it's somewhere in here in the windows, and make sure to check the effects and it will now be added into your workspace. And then once you have your lumetri color, is that you want to navigate into effect controls. In here is that you want to go into basic correction. And most of the time, you might think that you just need to reduce the exposure. However, it doesn't fix the overexposed highlights right there, because as you can see, the video just got dimmer, but still it's still over the top on the highlights. So what we would need to do is, instead of messing with the exposure, we just need to go into highlights and lower it down right there, and it will not make the video dimmer right there, and it actually fixes the overexposed parts. And then you want to also mess with the shadows and see if you could get your desired results from here right there. And I think this one's pretty good. And then this one for the highlights is that I'm gonna go and make it smaller a bit right there. And now let's compare the versions of the fixed version and then the raw version. So this is the fixed version right here. As you can see, the highlights are now all good. It is not over the top. And now when I disable the lumetri color here in effect controls, you'd now be able to see that this is what we have worked with. This is the overexposed video that we have. And now with the lumetri color adjusting the highlights and shadows, we now achieve this look. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.